Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as you can see here that basically in this lecture we are going to start with the stadiums in India. Okay. This is going to be a lecture. This is going to be a topic for this lecture. All right. Talking about this, let me tell you one thing in a straightforward manner that stadium is India is an important section from the competitive exams point of view because the questions are generally asked from here in the competitive exams. Okay. And again, as I have told you many times, in the static part, there is always a 50-50 situation. Either you know the answer or you don't know the answer. There is no any other way. Okay. So this makes it very important for us to learn about them in a proper manner so that whenever we have to face them in the examination, we could mark the correct answer. Okay. If we move forward, we will see the indexes here. In index, you can see we have the topic of stadiums in India, right? This is going to be a topic. All right. And we will cover these stadiums in India. And at last, we will have the summary to be discussed of all of them. Got it? But before starting this, as usual, we have our small disclaimer here, which we required to discuss. And the disclaimer is like the images that we used in a slide deck are for the educational purposes only. In real, we respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ec.in and we shall remove the images. Okay, now let's begin with the things. First is the Wankhede Stadium. The Wankhede Stadium is actually a cricket stadium that is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it was established in 1974. Okay. Another one is the Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium. By name, you could conclude it is in the state of Himachal Pradesh. It is also the cricket stadium which located in the city of Dharamshala, which lies in the district of Kangra in Himachal Pradesh. It was established in year of 2003. Then we have the Firoz Shah Kotla ground. The Firoz Shah Kotla ground is a cricket ground located at Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, New Delhi. Okay. It was established in 1883. So we could say it was one of the stadiums that got established in India prior to the independence and one of the earliest stadiums that got established in the country. Okay. Like you can say it is actually established in 1883. It is near the Kotla Fort of Firoz Shah Kotla Fort in New Delhi. Then we have M.A. Chindabram Stadium. This stadium is also known as Chepauk Stadium. So remember, maybe the names are different, but it referring to the same stadium. It is also the cricket stadium, lies in Chennai, India. Okay. It was established in 1916 and it is the oldest continuously used cricket stadium in the country. Eden Gardens. Eden Gardens is also the cricket ground in Kolkata, India, which got established in 1864. So we could say the same thing. Like it is also one amongst the oldest ground that got established in India prior to the independence. Then we have Gymkhana ground in Secunderabad. It is also the cricket ground in Secunderabad, Telangana, India. Got established in 1928. Okay. Then we have The Jharkhand State Cricket Association, which is the International Cricket Stadium, also known as JSCA International Stadium Complex, situated in Ranchi, India, and it was established in year of 2010. As we move forward, now we can see Saurashtra Cricket Association Stadium, also known as Khanderi Cricket Stadium. Okay, the both names are used for the same stadium, either known as the Saurashtra Cricket Association Stadium or known as the Khanderi Cricket Stadium. It is the cricket stadium in Rajkot, Gujarat, India, got established in 2008. Maharashtra Cricket Stadium, also known as Subrata Roy Sahara Stadium. Both names are referring to the same stadium. It is also the cricket stadium located at Gahunje, Pimpri Chinchwad in Pune, Maharashtra, India. Got established in year of 2012. D.Y. Patil Sports Stadium. It is a football and a cricket stadium. Lies at D.Y. Patil campus, Nerul, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Established in 2008. The Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium, also known as the new VCA Stadium. It is the cricket ground in Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. It is the largest cricket stadium in India in we compare the field area in terms of field area. And it was established in the year of 2008. Thereafter, we have the Holkar Cricket Stadium. The Holkar Cricket Stadium is actually located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Earlier known as Maharani Usaraje Trust Cricket Ground. Okay. So both the name are referring to the same stadium. Like we could say previously, it was well known as the Maharani Usaraje Trust Cricket Ground. Now it is known as the Holkar Cricket Stadium. It was established in 1990. Then we have Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium. It is the principal cricket stadium in the in the city of Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Got established in 2003. Visakhapatnam ACA VDCA Cricket Stadium, which is also known as the ACA VDCA. It is the multi-purpose stadium in Visakhapatnam, India, lies in the state of Andhra Pradesh, established in year of 2003. The Indira Gandhi Stadium, located in Vijayawada of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, was established in 1969. Barkatullah Khan Stadium, located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, currently used mostly for cricket, got established in 1986. Jawaharlal Nehru International Stadium. Locally, it was known as the Kalur Stadium. It is a multi-purpose international stadium situated in Kochi, Kerala. The stadium is used mostly for cricket and football matches. Got established in 1996. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. It is the National Stadium of India, located in Delhi. Got established in 1982. Then, the Fatorda, officially known as the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Multi-purpose stadium situated in Margao, Goa. got established in 1989. Reliance Stadium or Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limit Complex Ground. The both name are same. Reliance Stadium or Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited Sports Complex Ground. Also known as the IPCL ground located in Vadodara, Gujarat. Got established in 1990. KD Singh Babu Stadium. Multi-purpose stadium. Got established in 1957. It was established in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Maulana Azad Stadium. The stadium in Jammu and one of the home venues for the Jammu and Kashmir cricket team got established in 1966. Indira Priyadarshini Stadium. Cricket stadium located in the coastal city of Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, was established in 1987. Captain Room Singh Stadium. Cricket ground in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, was established in 1978. Nahar Singh Stadium. Previously, it was famously known as the Mayur Stadium. Cricket stadium in Indian city of Faridabad, established in 1981. Madhav Rao Scindia. Cricket ground, also known as Municipal Ground or Racecourse Ground Corporation Ground, is located in Rajkot, Gujarat, established in 1935. Sector 16 Stadium. Cricket stadium in Chandigarh, Punjab, India, established in 1966. Nehru Stadium, formerly known as the Club of Maharashtra Ground. Multi-purpose stadium in Pune, mainly used for cricket matches. The stadium is built in 1969. Kerala University Stadium, multi-purpose stadium located in the city of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, and used for predominantly football and also for athletics. Built in 1940. Then we have Kenan Stadium, multi-purpose stadium and also an international cricket stadium in Jamshedpur, India. Currently used mostly for cricket and football matches. Was built in 1939. Sardar Patel Gujarat Stadium, also known as Motera Stadium, one of the premium cricket stadiums of India in the Motera locality of Ahmedabad, was built in 1982. The Moti Bagh Stadium is a cricket stadium located in Vadodara, Gujarat. The stadium was built in 1956. Sher-e-Kashmir Stadium, cricket stadium located in Srinagar, was built in 1983. The Savai Man Singh Stadium, cricket stadium in Jaipur, Rajasthan, was built in 1969. The Gandhi Stadium at the Gandhi Sports Complex ground, located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. Currently used for cricket matches. Built in 1933. The iconic Barabati Stadium, is an Indian sports stadium located in Cuttack, Odisha. Was built in 1958. The M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, located in Bangalore, Karnataka, was built in 1969. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, formerly known as the Fateh Maidan, football and cricket stadium in Hyderabad, Telangana, built in 1950. Green Park Stadium, 32,000 capacity, floodlit multi-purpose stadium, located in Kanpur, UP, India. Stadium was built in 1945. The Brabant Stadium, cricket ground in Mumbai, Maharashtra, was built in 1937. The Guru Gobind Singh Stadium, multi-purpose stadium in Jalandhar, India, currently used for football matches, was built in 1971. Port Maidan, known as the Kota Maidanam, it is the multi-use stadium in Palakkad, India, currently used mostly for cricket matches, was built in year of 2003. The Dilip Tirki Stadium, in short known as DTS, is a football cum hockey stadium located in Sector 1 of city Raulkela. The stadium was built in year of 2009. The Birsa Munda Athletic Stadium, a stadium in Ranchi, India, used mostly for association football matches for athletics. The Kaling Stadium, multi-purpose stadium in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India. Mahindra Hockey Stadium, field hockey stadium at Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The Major Dhyanchand National Stadium, commonly known by the former name National Stadium, is a field hockey stadium in New Delhi, India. The stadium was built in 1933. Dadaji Kondadev Stadium, called as SR Krida Shankul Stadium by some sources, is a major stadium in Thane, Maharashtra, India. Then we have Guru Nanak Stadium, football stadium in Ludhiana, India, lies in Punjab. So here we have finished the topic. Now it's a part for summary. First, we have discussed the Wankhede Stadium lies in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Second, we have discussed the Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association grounds lies in Dharamshala, Himachal. Then we have discussed the Firoz Shah Kotla in New Delhi. We have discussed M. A. Chindabaram Stadium, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. We have discussed the Eden Gardens, Kolkata, West Bengal. Gymkhana Ground, Secunderabad, Telangana. JSCA International Stadium, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Swaraj Cricket Association Stadium, Rajkot. Maharashtra Cricket Association Stadium, Pune, Maharashtra. D.Y. Patil Sports Stadium, Nerul, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Holgar Cricket Stadium, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana. ACDA VDCA Stadium, Cricket Stadium, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Indira Gandhi Stadium, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Then we have seen Barkatullah खान स्टेडियम, जोधपुर, राजस्थान. जवाहरलाल नेहरू इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम, कोच्चि, केरला. जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम, दिल्ली. पटोरदा स्टेडियम, मारागांव, गोवा. रिलायंस स्टेडियम, वडोदरा, गुजरात. Then we have seen KD Singh Babu Stadium, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Maulana Azad Stadium, Jammu. Indira Priyadarshini Stadium, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Captain Room Singh Stadium, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Nahar Singh Stadium, Faridabad, Haryana. Madhur Rao Scindia Cricket Ground, Rajkot, Gujarat. Sector 16 Stadium, Chandigarh, Punjab. Nehru Stadium, Pune, Maharashtra. Kerala University Stadium, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Keenan Stadium, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Sardar Patel Stadium, Motera, Ahmedabad. Moti Bagh Stadium, Vadodara, Gujarat. Sher Kashmir Stadium, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Savai Mansingh Stadium, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Gandhi Stadium, Amritsar, Punjab. Then Parabati Stadium, Cuttack, Odisha. M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bangalore, Karnataka. Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana. Green Park Stadium, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Guru Gobind Singh Stadium, Jalandhar, Punjab. Fort Maidan, Palakkad, Kerala. Dileep Tirke Stadium, Raulkela, Odisha. Birsa Munda Stadium, Athletic Stadium, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Mahindra Hockey Stadium, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Major Dhyanchand National Stadium, New Delhi. Dadaji Kondakev Dev Stadium, Thane, Maharashtra. Guru Nanak Stadium, Ludhiana, Punjab. So if we take the special notes, the oldest stadiums are Eden Gardens and Firozshah Kotla. Many modern stadiums were established in 2000s, reflecting a growing investment in cricket infrastructure in India. Some stadiums serves as a multiple purpose, including football and athletics. Key features including the size, their location, and their historical significance. So students, here we have finished the topic. It is requested to all of you kindly revise the facts and figures that we have discussed in this lecture. Keep yourself ready for the next lecture. With this note, let's end this lecture and thank you.